Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of the day it is that you are watching this video. It is Thursday, and we're going to have a great day today, aren't we? Mrs. Hensley wants us to start with the calendar, and we're going to start off by singing the months of the year. Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, we have a new month, and yesterday it was September. So what comes after September? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. Look! October. And today is the first day of October. So what's that number going to be? The first day of October. October 1. October the 1st. And look what it is. It is a bat. Why would Mrs. Hensley have a bat for her calendar? I wonder if there will be a pattern this month. September's pattern was A, B, or red, green. Red, green, or A, B. Wonder what it'll be tomorrow. Okay, October the 1st. And today is Thursday, so we're going to start on the first Thursday of the month. So we will put that right there, October the 1st, 2020 or 2020, right? Okay, let's think about what today is. Did you hear me say what today is? It's that naughty 2 letters that you stick out your tongue. What is that? What is it? Oh, naughty. Thursday. I don't know why Mrs. Hensley's being silly today, but she is. Thursday. It's Thursday today. So today is Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Let's sing our days of the week. You ready, friends? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, today's Thursday. Let's see what tomorrow's going to be. January, Mrs. Hensley, that's the month, not the days of the week. Oh my goodness, if you can't make a mistake, you can't make anything, right? Okay, here we go. I don't need my glasses on because I'm not reading right now, am I? Okay, here we go. Woo! Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh my gosh, Friday is tomorrow? Oh my gosh, Mrs. Hensley, I love Fridays. Okay, tomorrow is Friday, friends. Mrs. Hensley just needs to calm down today, doesn't she? Friday is tomorrow. And let's see what comes before Thursday. You ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Here we go. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Again, our season is autumn or fall. Okay? We are going to do our how many days have we been in school today? So we need to add a straw and a tally, right? Oh, we have 4 tallies, so I get to go across a diagonal. Let's count. 2 in the tens place, and then we have some in the ones place. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We have been in school 25. Let's make sure we have 25 tally marks. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So let's write a 2 and a 5 for 25. It is a 2 and a 5 for 25. Mrs. Hensley took Avery and Brian's cupcakes off the September calendar, and Avery and Brian, you will get these when you come to school, and I'll be able to give them to you, okay? So they will be your cupcakes since they were on. And we've got some important days in October that Mrs. Hensley forgot to tell you about. We have Sean's birthday on October 4th, so that is coming up. We have Columbus Day on October the 12th. The 15th and the 16th of October, we have fall break, so there will be no school on those 2 days. And on October 31st is Halloween, so it says Happy Halloween. Okay? Let's write the date today. Mrs. Hensley's putting her glasses on because I am going to have to write the date. And you know what? Since it's October, we're going to do orange today. I hope you can see it. Okay. Oh, let's see what number October is. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is the 10th month. So, oh, you're not going to be able to see that. I'm not going to be able to write with orange. It is too light. So 10-1-20. And we abbreviate October, uppercase O, C-T, period. Finger space 1, comma, 2020. Okay, or we can write out October. Finger space 1, comma, finger space 2020. That is how you write October, and that is how you abbreviate October. Okay, we are going to talk about some things about what we're doing today. Okay, so let's do that. We have sound skills today again with the beginning sounds. So we will be focusing on beginning sounds again. You will have a seesaw activity to do with that. We will work on our letter sound chart. We will write the letters uppercase O and lowercase o. That's good practice for October. October starts with an O. We will color the front cover of our October journal, but don't do that yet. Wait for Mrs. Hensley's instructions. We will read The Little Red Hen in a seesaw activity. It will actually be read to you. Mrs. Hensley won't be reading it. And talking about the characters and the main characters in that story. In math, we are focusing on the number 9. And I will be, Mrs. Hensley thought, I will be revealing our sheep brainstorming results with you. And I will read a farm book, okay? So that's all for today. We don't have a new animal because we're doing something special tomorrow, okay? So I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday, a fantastic Thursday. Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.